Gulfstream LC-39. Again, I was talking about Launch Pad 39A, the most historic launch pad. That is what you see up ahead of us and over to the left. Now that tallest tower there, that is being constructed for the Starship. That's where that's going to launch from once it comes in, due to the fact that you'll be getting off at the ground level instead of at a raised sidewalk. So please watch that step, that last step especially. Now I would like to personally thank you for choosing to spend your day here with us at Kennedy Space Center. My name is Leslie.
Prototype engine stationed in the observation tower. In a short while, they will be testing the engine's full thrust capabilities to see if it meets NASA's criteria for deep space. The Crew Dragon capsule can carry up to 7 astronauts, and with cargo, seats 4. Upon returning to Earth, Crew Dragon splashes down in specific locations in the ocean based on criteria such as weather and the spacecraft's position in orbit. In 2015, Boeing opened its commercial crew and cargo processing facility in what was formerly the Orbiter Processing Facility for the Space Shuttle program. You can see this building next to the Vehicle Assembly Building, boasting a large, colorful mural of the CST-100 Starliner spacecraft in orbit. Starliner can seat up to 7 astronauts, 4 with cargo, and launches atop the Atlas V rocket made by the United Launch Alliance, or ULA.
Now that mural that they're referring to about the Starliner, if you look out the left side of the bus and down this road as we go through the intersection, you will see that building. Now, of course, the tall building there, that is the Vehicle Assembly Building. It's 525 feet tall and 518 feet wide. That long white building that you see off to the right of that, that is the LCC, or the Launch Control Center. Now again, when you leave the gantry, the video is going to talk more about the Launch Control Center. But I do want to point out to you over here on the right, all those buildings that you see, that is all the press site. That's where they facilitate on the day of launch. Now also out there, of course, is the American flag, and just to the right of that is a fairly new digital countdown clock. You may have seen the original one just outside the visitors complex when you enter today. Now once you get up on top of the gantry, make sure that you look over here. You'll see those 3 lightning towers. That is Launch Pad 39B. That is the home of the SLS rocket. That is where Artemis 1 launched from, and the next maiden woman going to the moon will also be launching from that pad. Now the other launch pad that you see up ahead of us, and it looks like it's to the right, but it'll be on the left side of the bus, that is Launch Pad 39A, the most historic launch pad in the world, and is currently being leased by SpaceX.
Gives us new knowledge to help us protect our planet